Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to show you has been checked and confirmed by the experts here at the shop. So take a breath. This has a solution. When the message "Open then close driver window" shows up on your Chevy Cruze, the first thing to do is not panic. This warning does not mean the car has a serious problem or that the window is about to fall off. It's basically the system saying something like, "Hey, I lost track of how the driver's window moves. Help me recalibrate it." This is more common than you might think, especially after the battery has been changed or disconnected. So why does this happen? Because the Cruze's power window system can be a bit picky. When it loses power, it forgets where the window is fully open and fully closed. To avoid making weird movements or accidentally pinching your fingers, the car chooses to warn you and asks you to perform a relearn process. Now here's the good news. Most of the time, this can be fixed without tools and without spending any money. What you need to do is the window relearn or normalization procedure. With the car in ignition on, fully lower the driver's window. Once it reaches the bottom, keep holding the switch for a few extra seconds. Then fully raise the window and again, hold the switch for a few more seconds. This allows the system to relearn the full window travel. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Don't get frustrated. Many mechanics mention that you may need to repeat the process 2 or 3 times, or hold the switch a bit longer than usual. Sometimes the system is stubborn and just needs a firm reminder, with a little patience. Now, if after several attempts the message keeps coming back, the next most common suspect is the battery. A weak, old, or poorly connected battery can cause voltage drops, which confuse the computer. In many cases, simply replacing the battery or tightening the terminals makes the message disappear and everything goes back to normal. Along those same lines, another issue that comes up a lot in forums is the driver window switch. If the button doesn't respond properly, sticks, or works only sometimes, the system detects inconsistent signals and triggers the warning. Some mechanics have permanently fixed the issue by replacing the switch, which usually isn't a very expensive part. There are also less common but very real cases where the problem is in the door wiring harness. Over time, opening and closing the door, moisture or vibrations can damage the wires. If the window motor receives intermittent signals, the system gets confused and keeps asking for recalibration. One important thing many people overlook: this message does not affect how the car drives. It won't leave you stranded, and it has nothing to do with the engine or transmission. It's simply a comfort system warning, so you can keep driving while you sort it out. Although fixing it is best, so it doesn't keep bothering you on the dashboard.